Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to do a very quick initial review on the DEWALT Bolster or the DEWALT Extreme 3 safety boot. As always guys, it's going to be a very quick video, quick unboxing, take a look over the specification and hopefully it's not going to let me down. So let's get them open, shall we? So let's take a look at the specifications and see what DEWALT say. First of all, these boots have a safety rating of SBSRA. They of course are steel toe cap boots. They have no protective midsole. They're a wide fit, oil repellent and petrol resistant sole, but that's not water resistant. Shock absorbing sole, TPU heel guard. The colour is in honey with a material constructed of leather. It comes with a manufacturer's guarantee of 1 year and the correct model name is the Bolster safety boot. As you can see from the stats, it's going to really depend on what you need from the shoe itself. Whether you need it to be fully water resistant, completely waterproof or not, completely oil resistant and so on. Me, personally, it was from preference. Going from trainer or really low tops to going to medium tops. I don't like high top boots at all. That's not for me. So I'm hoping that these aren't going to let me down. They should cover everything I need. So fingers crossed, in 6 months I'll be coming back with a follow-up review and giving you a better idea whether they'll be for you or not. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.